This will be your best school year ever. Yes, this will be your best school year ever. Now, in this video, I'm going to break down to you how you can add more power to your hour. Yes, how you can add more power to your hour. Now, let's be honest, right? Let's be honest. We can't really manage time. Yeah, I think time management is a misnomer. Yeah, we can't manage time. Think about it. We all have 168 hours in our week. We all have 24 hours in a day. We all have, 7 days in a week. Listen, you can't add to that. You can't take away from that. But what you can do, rather than time management, is to manage yourself. So I want to talk about a power in your hour. Now, why is an hour so important? So let's think. If you want to have a successful school year, that means you need to have 51, 52 successful weeks. If you want to have a successful week, that boils down to having 7 successful days. If you want to have a successful day, that sums up to having 24 successful hours. If you want to have a successful hour, that leads to 60 successful minutes. If you want to have successful minutes, that boils down to seconds. But I believe that there's power in an hour. In your 60 minutes every single day, there's some power there, and that will lead to an amazing day, lead to an amazing week, amazing month, amazing school year. All right, so here are 5 things that you can do to get some power in your hour. Number 1 is to recognize the importance of 60 minutes. Yeah, recognize the importance of 60 minutes. Now, you're sitting here watching this video. Now, you see how long this video is, or how long this video will be. But think about all of the amazing things that you can do in this hour. Listen, time cannot be gained. Time cannot be taken away. Well, time can be taken away. You're actually losing time, right? So we can't go back to the previous year. We can't go back to the previous school year. We can only move forward with time. So number 1, I need you to recognize the importance and the value of 1 hour, the importance and value of 60 minutes. Number 2, I need you to begin to detail every minute in your hour. Yeah, every minute in your hour. Now, even before you detail it, I will encourage you to assess. Yeah, assess, like, where's your time going? Where is the hour going? Where are you spending your minutes? Are you spending time on your cell phone? Are you spending time on apps? Are you spending time having conversations? Are you spending time just daydreaming? Right? So I need you to assess the time, and then I need you to detail every minute of an hour. So, today is a new day. And, you wake up, you brush your teeth, you roll out of bed, you wash your face, you do what needs to be done, you put your clothes on, you maybe go to school, you ride the bus, you take a car, take an Uber, you walk to class, you sit in class, you sit down to study. Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you got to cook breakfast for your family, maybe you got to, kiss your mate, your spouse, drive to work, maybe you're a parent, you got to do different things. But here's what I want you to start doing. What are you doing in an hour? Can you really detail the activities of your hour? Where are you wasting minutes in that hour? What can you do to protect that hour? This is step 3. Identify time wasters and alleviate time. Yeah, number 1 is to recognize the importance of an hour, or the importance of 60 minutes. Number 2 is to detail every minute in your hour. And then number 3, you have to eliminate time wasters. The other day I was sitting down working on something, and I realized that I was actually doing nothing, but I was doing something. I was just moving my thumb up and down the screen there on, I think it was social media, just moving my thumb, and I was just not doing anything. And I realized how much time I was wasting by sitting there scrolling. I wasn't really looking at anything, but I was just sitting there scrolling. I asked you this question: what are you wasting time on? Can you eliminate those time wasters? Like, what things are you doing in your day that's stealing your time? What people are you associating with that's stealing your time? What activities are you doing? Is it daydreaming? Is it social media? Is it gossiping? Is it doing nothing? Like, what is destroying your time? Is it TV? Is it YouTube? Is it Snapchat? Is it Instagram? What is it? What's stealing your time? Number 4, to get more power in your hour is to stay focused on your hourly agendas. Yeah, stay focused on your hourly agendas. I want you to think about, in an hour and 60 minutes, what can you focus on? Yeah, what can you focus on? Maybe it's reading a book. Maybe you say, in this next 60 minutes, I'm going to read 20 pages of this book. And the goal is 20 pages. So now we sit down to focus on reading 20 pages. Maybe over the next 60 minutes in an hour, you say, I'm going to spend time reviewing my notes from class today. Sit down in those 60 minutes and you focus on reviewing the notes. Maybe you say the next 60 minutes, I'm going to actually go to the gym. I'm actually going to work out. And when I'm in the gym, I'm going to work out. I'm not going to, go to La La Land or be on my phone or talking to people. I'm going to be focused at working out, writing a paper, whatever it is. I need you to stay focused on your hourly agenda. And then number 5, I need you to be present in the current hour. Can you win in this previous hour? There's a new hour. A new hour is going to come in a few minutes, right? In another 60 minutes, a new hour is going to come. But I need you to be present in this 1 hour. I need you to be all in this 1 hour. And then the goal is, let's win at 1 hour. Then we win at 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. 24 hours. Like when we go to sleep, we win when we sleep. When we sit down to spend time with our family members in an hour or whatever we're doing, let's win in that hour. Because now, if we can win at 60 minutes, we can win at the hour. If we can win at that 1 hour, then we can put 24 consecutive hours together, and now we can win at that day. And we can put 7 amazing days together, and then now we can win at the week. Then we can put 51, 52 amazing weeks together, and now we can win at the school year. But it starts with the power of an hour. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Listen, while you're here, I want to give you a very special offer for a copy of my book, Play Your A Game. It's all about how to stay motivated, remain focused, and succeed in school and life. Hey, click the link or go to playyouragamebook.com.